I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an ESIM on your iPhone with Freedom Mobile is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your iPhone is compatible with ESIM technology. Most recent models, like the iPhone XS and later, support ESIM. Step 2. Get your ESIM activation code. Contact Freedom Mobile to obtain your ESIM activation code. This is usually sent via email or SMS. Step 3. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. In the cellular menu, tap on Add Cellular Plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code provided by Freedom Mobile or enter the details manually. Step 5. Label your plan. Once the ESIM is added, label your plan for easy identification. You can name it something like Freedom Mobile to avoid confusion with other plans. Make sure to restart your iPhone after setting up the ESIM to ensure everything works smoothly. If you encounter any issues, double-check the activation code in your iPhone's compatibility. Happy connecting!